So in this video, we'll be discussing trading, sports trading, and I'll be using three different exchanges. I will show you this is Bybit, this is OKX, and this is Binance. I've told you guys to download these exchanges because we'll be using all of them to trade. The same thing, if you open Binance, you can see Binance sports trading area. You open Bybit, this is Bybit sports trading area. You open OKX, the same thing, but I'll be using Binance. You have to download Binance or Bybit or OKX, KuCoin. There are many exchanges, but let's use these three. Binance is world #1 exchange. When you open Binance and come into the sports trading area, this is how the interface looks like. It is very simple to understand. If you look down by the right, you see wallet. In some other exchanges like Bybit, what you will see there is assets. You can see it. If you open OKX as well, what you will see down right is assets. But Bybit put their own wallets. They are all the same thing. If you click that wallet, it will open. You will see overview, sports wallet, funding, earning, and so on. These things I'm counting, look at them here. Overview, sports, funding, and so on. We are working with sports wallet. That is what we are working with. The trade is sports trading. The wallet we are using is sports trading. Sports wallet, sports trading. If somebody send you coin into Binance, if somebody send you coin into Binance, you will receive it in funding. Remember that we learned how to import contract address into MetaMask, and the second video I made, I show you how you can receive coin and send coin. But if you're yet to understand that, you can ask me a question and I will answer you. Deposit, withdraw, transfer. You can see them here. Deposit, withdraw, and transfer. See them here. Deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Now I will be telling you what these three things are used for. This is spot, this is funding. Be mindful of these two things. If somebody send you coin, it will be here. For you to trade the coin, sell and buy, it has to be inside spots. If you go to funding, these are coins that I received from people. Then if you go to spots, it is ready for buying and selling, but inside the trading area, you can see trade. If you touch that trade, it will bring you to this place now where you buy and sell. Before we start that, I go back to wallet. I want to tell you about deposit. If you click on deposit, it will ask you to select the name of coin you want to deposit. That is when you're bringing coin in. Maybe somebody want to send you coin, or you want to bring in coin from your another wallet to this place. What you will click is deposit. You will select the name of the coin. Let's say, for example, I'm selecting USDT. If I click USDT, it will ask me which network. This is now referring us to the blockchain that we studied earlier. The very first video was about blockchain. So this place is now asking you, this USDT you're bringing, is it under which blockchain? We have Tron blockchain, that is, we have Tron TRC20, we have BNB Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Toncoin, Solana, Arbitrum, Avax, Optimism, OP, BNB, Near Protocol, and so on, Celo, and so on. So the network, the stuff will ask you which network you are going to import the coin through. If the person is sending you USDT through BNB and you send the person BNB through Ethereum, the coin is gone and is gone forever. So you have to be very careful. Let's assume you are importing a coin with BNB Smart Chain. You just click BNB Smart Chain. It will bring out the wallet address of the BNB Smart Chain. This is the wallet address you must send to the person without mistakes. The person will deposit it. Then you will receive the coin inside funding. Sometimes the coin may go straight to spots, no issue. But if the coin enters funding and you want to move it to spot because you want to start using it to trade, you see transfer, you click on transfer. It will bring you here. In this place that you're seeing name of coin, you will select the name of coin you want to transfer from funding to spot. If it's not in order, you click here, it will reset anyhow you want it. Now I want to move this bunk from funding to spot, and I want to move everything. I click on maximum and I click on transfer and I click OK. Automatically the bunk has entered into Spot's wallet. Is now ready to be traded. Now if you want to withdraw, this withdrawing is sending to somebody or sending to another wallet. This is not withdrawing to bank account. This is a very different thing. This is withdrawing coin from exchange to another wallet or to another exchange or to anywhere. You click on withdraw. The first thing you do is to click on withdraw, not the coin. Click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, it will ask you to select the coin you want to withdraw. If you're not seeing the coin here, you type the name here and it will appear. If it is USDT, it will ask you whether you want to send it via crypto network or via email. For now, we are using crypto network. You click crypto network. It will ask you to put the wallet address here. Select the network. Again, you must select the network that you're sending it to, which the person must have copied the same wallet address to you. You select the network. You now put here the number of coin you want to send to the person, and you click on withdraw. You can see withdraw down there. You click on withdraw, and then it will ask you to put your email verification. It will send you a message to your email. You put the verification and the coin will go. But if you mistake the network, the coin is gone. You won't receive it back. The person you're sending it to will never receive it. Now we go to the sports trading area, the trade. In this place now, you will take your time to watch this video. You can even cut it into two if it's possible and watch only this place or repeat only this place several times. I'm not going to give any assignment for now. You will have to watch this video, practice it on your own. The next time I will post another video. After that video, I will then give assignment on this particular video I'm making now. I hope you understand what I mean. This area is called spot trading. If you look up, you will see that is under spot. We have convert, we have spot, merging, and then we have margin, and we have both fiat and P2P. This P2P is a very big part of trading that we may not be discussing about now. It is a very different thing entirely. That is how to link people, how to buy direct from somebody, all the risk, all that, all this, everything is there. Now we are into spot trading. We have the buying order and the selling order. This is the buying order and this is the selling order. If you click on it, it turns to sales. If you click on it, it turns to buy. So you can actually buy coin and sell coin immediately here without going any other place. That is how to make money from cryptocurrency. If you look at these items here, moving up and down, these things, this one is moving and this one is moving every seconds. That is how people are buying and selling coins every seconds. People are buying coin and selling coin. You can imagine that. Just look at it very well. You see, every second somebody is buying and somebody is selling. So there will be no any problem like I want to sell coin. How long will it take to sell? Immediately you sell. It depending on how you understand it. And then as people are selling and people are buying, people are making gain, people are losing money. As you're seeing this red one, those are people selling. The green one are the people buying. Within those people buying, those people selling, people are losing money, people are making money. The same thing with those that are buying. Now, what I'm here to teach you is how you understand it. This does not mean that you will not make mistakes. This does not mean also that you will not be making losing money or making gains. You will make gain, you will lose money. But if you study this thing that I'm showing you very well, it will be very, very difficult for you to lose money. Instead, you make small gain. Now, inside this place, we are using buying order. For example, we want to buy coin, and this is Bitcoin, BTC, and USDT. USDT is United States dollar theta. That is the digital dollar. It's the same amount with the physical dollar, American dollar. So the USDT, anywhere you see it, is actually talking about $1. So 1 USDT is $1. In this place now, the price of Bitcoin is $58,400. You can see that it just changed. That means somebody have made better gain and somebody have lose money. You see this place now, you see it's going up, it's coming down. People are making money, people are losing money. This is what you have come to learn and make your own money too. Now, maybe you don't want to trade Bitcoin, you want to trade another type of coin. You click here. When you just click it, it will open. You search for any other coin you want to sell or buy, as long as the coin is listed on Binance. It is as easy as that. But now we are using Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin price for 1 Bitcoin is 58,000 something. Now, if you come to this place now, remember we are still under buying order. If you come to this place, you see under it, you see limit. If you click that limit, you will see limit, market, stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO. We will be using limit order, market order. Every other thing, we may use them later, or when you become professional traders, we start. For example, stop limit or OCO. OCO is one cancel the other. Stop limit is this. Stop limit has stop loss. Stop limit or stop loss. I will simply explain that. Stop loss is maybe your money is you're about to lose your money. You will now set this stop loss. It will stop you from losing your money. This thing, we are going to study them later on. But now we'll be using limit order and market order. After this limit order and market order, we'll come back to convert. Now, let's start with limit order. The limit order now, we give you the opportunity to set the price you want to buy the coin. If you look at the current market price, this is the Bitcoin current market price. It is 58,309 something. You want to buy Bitcoin, but you don't have this amount. What you have is $500. And you don't want to buy it when they are selling it 58,000. You want to buy it when it drops more, maybe like 57,000. What will you do? You will come to this place and wipe this amount. If you click there, you delete that amount. You will now write 57,623. That this amount is what you want to buy Bitcoin. When Bitcoin gets to this amount, you will buy the one of $500. You write it here that they put USDT because USD is dollar. 500. That when this coin gets to this amount, you will buy the one of $500. That means you're buying this quantity. But if you want to buy it at the amount they're selling it now, which is market order, you will have to put $500. It will give you at the exact rate they're selling now. If you want to know the quantity of Bitcoin it will give you at this exact rate, you go back to limit order, but don't change the price. Just write your 500. It will give you 0.00855. But if you change this to that 37,000 and put $500, it will give you 0.0087. You see the difference now. This one is more gain, but you are not going to buy it immediately. You are going to wait for it to drop. How will you know when it will drop? How can you predict it? This is a very big thing again that we are going to study another time. But if you come to this place, This is called candlesticks, or you call them charts. If you click there, it will open this place. You see Bitcoin. This place is when Bitcoin rose up in price. This is when it fall. It rise. Now it fall, and so on. Now, there is every tendency that it may rise again, because the nature of the coin is rise and fall. If you go back, you see, rise and fall. That is nature. So you can actually predict that it will fall down, it will fall down to the amount you want to buy. For example, look at this place, look at the amount here where it started rising, 57.6 something, and it's still here now, 58 something. So it might still fall to this place. What if it did not fall and start going up again? That means that amount you set is no longer going to be possible. What you will do is you cancel it and reset it to the one that is happening at the moment. There is one day, this is 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 month, 1 year, and so on, that you can set coin. I am trading in every 15 minutes. That is, this thing is showing me every 15 minutes. If I put it in 1 day, this is the current Bitcoin movement in 1 day. We are going to study these candlesticks another day, not today. I just brought you here so that you see how you can predict how the coin is rising and how the coin is falling. Then let's go back. Now, I have been able to set this price here to what I want to buy it, and I have $500. My $500 is going to give me 0.0087 Bitcoin, not up to 1 Bitcoin, because 1 Bitcoin is $58,000 plus. The same thing applies to every other cryptocurrency that you want to buy and sell. Okay, maybe I don't want to waste this type of time, because you don't know if it will take up to 1 week before Bitcoin will hit this price I set, even if it's going to hit it at all. But I want to be buying and selling every day and be making money. What do I do? Now, you go back to this place and you can see the 1 day is now in 1 day time frame. 1 day, or you set it in 4 hours time frame. This is Bitcoin's performance in every 4 hours, or this is 1 hour performance. All these things you're seeing, they are all called candlesticks. These things that is red and green. The green one is when the coin is rising. The red one is when it's falling. So the coin falls and rises all the time, every 1 hour. So each of these candlesticks represents 1 hour. And now, from this current place now to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, Bitcoin rose very well the last 6 hours. That means from the last 6 hours till now, the Bitcoin have started falling. It only rose up the last 6 hours. It has been falling since 6 hours ago. And this yellow line is called the RSI, the Relative Strength Index line. We are going to study it someday, not today. But you can always look at it. It's trying to bend. That means the Bitcoin is continuously falling down, but it's not bending very well, because at this current hour, the Bitcoin is still rising. But the strength of rising is not that much, so the coin can still fall. But I want to buy and start trading immediately. Okay. Now, if you look at all those areas that Bitcoin have passed, look at all these areas now. If you had bought the coin here at red, the red end is down, the green end is up. If you have bought coin here, you would have sold it here and made gains. You come down, you buy again. You go up, you sell. You come down, you buy. You go up, you sell. This is how to trade on a daily basis. For example, now the coin is rising. You buying now is wrong. You will wait till the end of this green. This is what you'll be monitoring. You shouldn't, as in, you cannot just set it and go, except you are not a trader. If you're doing something, then you set the time, the trade, and go. Set it on limit and go. It will meet up your time, your whatever, your calculation, and execute for you. I'm going to show you how to do that. If you set that and come back, and if you meet up, good. If you didn't meet up, then you reset. But if you are not doing anything, that you're actually trading, you will be monitoring this thing, this green, until the green stops and wants to turn to red. You should also be looking at the price. Immediately you sell. If you have not bought, don't buy now until you see the tail end of the red candle. If the candle turns to red, the price will be dropping. Just be watching, be dropping until the price stops and tries to go back. You will now buy. You buy when the price is turning from red to green. You buy, and you wait for it to be turning from green to red again. You sell. Listen to this thing very well. If you look at the time we started this, see how much that Bitcoin have added since the time I started this video. You can see how much it has added. We were using 5.8, I think 3 something, and now is 5.85. We're talking about is $500. Imagine that. You see, it has entered $600. This is how to make gain in crypto. Now it's struggling between $570 to $600. If this struggle starts falling from $570 to $560, if you have the coin, you sell and wait for it to drop down, maybe 58,500 and maybe 60 or 50 or $40. When it will start, it is dropping. So any trader should sell now. You sell, you wait for it. Once it start rising again, you buy. Before it starts rising, immediately it start changing price from where it is and struggling to go up, you buy again. That is how to buy and sell. And that is how to set amount you buy here. In this place, it gives you the opportunity to set the amount you want to buy, not the current market price. If you want to use the current market price, you open this place and put it in market, then put how much you have here. Automatically it will give you the coin with the current market price. If not, you set it in limit order. For example, you are a busy person and you want this coin to sell for you. You want to set it in 4 hours because you are a busy person. You set it in 4 hours. You check what Bitcoin has been doing in every 4 hours. Then you go back and set it. Maybe you want to set it in $67,000. If you just put it like this, $57,000, sorry, and you're buying $500 one, this is what it will give you now. See what it will give you. 868. Before it was 87. Now 868. You see the difference? Because the coin is actually dropping in price. Check this place. You see that it was in 570, now 540 something. See what I told you? So the trader must have sold and be waiting for it to drop. The person will buy again, it will start rising again. So you make money constantly according to your own strength and knowledge. Now, if you had set these things at the price you want to buy it, just click on buy. If you click on buy, the buying order will be waiting for you. Once Bitcoin hits this amount you set here, once the price hits this amount, it will buy for you this $500 own immediately and keep it for you inside your wallet. Because you must have the money inside your wallet before you start. You must have fund. If you come to holdings, you must have fund here. I don't have fund. Okay, I have a coins here, but I don't have dollar here now. But I have coins. I do want to convert them. You understand? So when you have your funds in your sports wallet here, automatically it will be showing inside your trading area. So whatever you set here as your buying price, it will show. They will take it from your money that you have inside your wallet. I hope this is clear. That is for buying order, limit order and market order. Then selling order. Because this, the time I said that the trader must have sold his or her coin, I am talking about here, buy here and sell here. That the coin is dropping, you sell here. The coin is rising, you buy here. It is very simple. Okay, now for example, you bought this coin as at that time that the coin fell down and you wanted to rise again. You bought it and you have checked that it's rising. Now the coin, maybe after this 586, the coin now went to 587 and start struggling with 5871 or 5869. Then you will sell at 587. You have to set it here. Instead of 585 now, you are now setting it at 587. If you put $500, this is what it's going to give you. So your coin that you bought before, which is 0.0087, is going to give you $511 instantly. That means you have made $11 gain between the time I started explaining this thing till now. You have made $11. Imagine if you're making $11 every 4 hours. Calculate it by 24 hours. You will know how much you're making. If you convert it to Naira, it is as easy as this. If you watch this video, you did not understand it, watch it again and again. Then you can ask me question. Trading area is where you can boast of making money. Even if, as for example, now you're owing somebody and the person gave you 12 o'clock in the afternoon. You wake up 7 a.m. you have $50. You can make that your $50 $200 before that 12 if you are a smart trader. Watch this video very well and then practice what you have learned here. I am going to give an assignment here after I've made another video about trading.